Hello everyone, welcome to my StarTech YouTube channel. Today I am going to demonstrate the GeneMark gene prediction tool.
So here is a quick introduction of the GeneMark. So GeneMark is a gene prediction tool, and it can predict gene from the bacteria, archaea, metagenomes, metatranscriptome, and from the eukaryotes. It has the online and local search engine, so you can run it in your system. So you can use the self-trained model or pre-trained model. There is numerous of GeneMark tool. Some they are categorized in prokaryote, eukaryote, like that, like GeneMark-ES, GeneMark-HMM, MetaGeneMark, and others. So in this video, I will demonstrate how to predict gene from a FASTA file. For that, you require one FASTA file and the GeneMark. So let's do it.
You have to go Google and search GeneMark. Let's enter. So here is the GeneMark site. Go to int and here is the online prediction tools GeneMark HMM. So we are going to use the local GeneMark tool in Linux system. So for that you have to go download the program. So there are many program of the GeneMark-ES2, ES, S, eukaryotic. So here I am going to use the GeneMark-ES, this version of tool 4.30. So all tools are almost equal to run. So I'm selecting the Linux 64 and I have to submit this portion. Let's submit it. So after filling this information, you will get this. Please download the program here. So download this program and please download the key. Also download the key. Okay, the download is done. Let's check it. So GeneMark will give you the 400 days of software usage. So let's extract it. Let's extract the key. Okay, the key is one nucleotide sequence followed by one number. So it is the GM suite. Let's see the instruction manual. So to run it, you have to just use this command, and it is program is ready to execute. So here is the GM key, and you have to open terminal here. So it is the GM key, and let's paste this GM key into the home directory. So it is done. Let's go to the GeneMark directory. Let's check the list. Here is the GM Sweet. So here you can see this GeneMark-HMMP. We have to use this tool. So to check it, you have to just write down GeneMark-HMMP and enter. So here you can see the all usage of the GeneMark. Let's clear it. So now we have one Saccharomyces cerevisiae FASTA file list. Here is about 5,000 of FASTA sequence, nucleotide sequence are here. So we'll predict gene out of it. So for that you have to go the terminal, again check the list. So it will use some parameter, and here is some module that it will use HEU 11, 1 and 4. So first I would copy this FASTA file into this GeneMark directory. So let's check it. So here is the FASTA file. Let's clear and GeneMark HMM, and first we have to use -m for the model. Here we use .mod. After that you have to use -a for the output of the predicted gene, and -d for the nucleotide sequence of predicted gene. So capital A is for the output name of the protein file. Let's say predicted amino acid, and then you have to enter capital D, and D is for the nucleotide sequence, predicted nucleotide sequence. So for that I'm again use pred for predicted, and nucleotide I'm going to add NT. Then you have to add -n and -c. Here is a two parameter. N will ensure you to make the complete gene sequence, not fragmented one, and C is for the faster parameters. And after that I am going to use -b for the best prediction from one transcript. It means the prediction will be done the best gene from each transcript, and then you have to select your FASTA form file. Here is a cerevisiae trinity FASTA file, so it is the total script, and let's enter. So it is working, and I think it is done. Let's see the whole file. So here you can see this predicted amino acid file. So it is predicted the file. Let's just control find and gene. So here you can see About 5,000 matches are there, so it predicted almost 5,000 of gene. And here is the result. You can see the amino acid sequence. This is the nucleotide sequence from the same prediction. Here is the some result, which strand it use and other things. So it is the whole tutorial of the GeneMark gene prediction tool in local Linux system.
If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a like and leave a comment. For more bioinformatics tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.